How long do tape-in hair extensions last? The truth revealed. When it comes to semi-permanent hair extensions, one of the most frequently asked questions is, how long do tape-in hair extensions last? If you're investing time and money in your hair, you want to know how durable they are and how much care they require. The truth is, tape-ins can last several months with proper maintenance. But a lot depends on the quality of the extensions, your lifestyle, and how you care for them. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the real lifespan of tape-ins, expert tape-in extensions care tips, and answer the popular question, can you reuse tape-in hair extensions? https://how-long-do-tape-in-hair-extensions-last-the-truth/ Hashtag how long do tape-in hair extensions last? Hashtag tape-in hair extensions. Hashtag tape-in hair extensions cost. Hashtag can you use tape-in hair extensions? Hashtag ton on hair. Hashtag ton on hair supplier.